Hello lovelies, welcome to my channel. I am Mama Triple N. Thanks for tuning in today. In this video I'm going to show you how I prepare this good looking sausage salad, also known as wurst salad in German language. Make sure you watch this video from the start till the end because you are going to love it and it is very delicious. Don't miss this video. Enjoy. So I have everything here. I have my vinegar, my bowl, olive oil, black pepper, cucumber, my geflügel Lyoner, that's the sausage, my cheese, salt, and tomatoes. So now I'm going to start by cutting the stuff. As you can see, I already have my sausage in the bowl. So now I'm going to cut the cheese and add it to it. Okay, make sure you cut it like this, but you can decide to cut it whichever way you want. I also have my cucumber. You can also use the already cooked cucumber, okay, but I decided to use the fresh cucumber. That's what I love most, like that's how I like it. Okay, so that's for that. And after doing that, I put it in the bowl, and then I'm going to go on and slice the tomatoes as well. So I'm going to continue with the process till everything is ready. Guys, remember that vegetable is always good for you. Yeah, we all know that tomatoes is also very good for the body, same as cucumber, onions, and everything. Okay, like the black pepper also is also good. Everything that I used is healthy and good for the body, guys. So I'm going to start also by slicing the onions. Okay, you can also decide to slice your onions in another shape, okay, but I decide to do it the way I like it. I like my onions to be really tiny, like really small, okay. I don't like it to be too big on this sausage salad. So now I'm going to go on with the dressing. So I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of vinegar to the bowl, and also 2 tablespoons of olive oil to the bowl as well. Sorry, to the plate. Yes, so after that I'm going to of course add 1 teaspoon of salt. Okay, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt to it. Make sure you do it the way I am doing it, okay guys, so that it won't be too much like the mixture. Okay, so now I'm going to add my black pepper to it. Yes, make sure you measure everything very well, okay. Please just do it the way I am doing it. And you all know that this recipe is amazing, it's awesome. Your children can eat it, everyone can eat it, okay. And also the sausage I used is chicken sausage, okay, but you can decide to use any sausage of your choice. As far as it is sausage, it is okay. Yes, so after doing that, I'm going to mix properly. Okay, I'm going to mix it like this, like the way I am doing it right now. And after mixing, I'm going to add it to my sausage salad. Look at how beautiful this looks like, guys. This is just wow, and it is so yummy. So as you can see, I have added it to my salad, the mixture, the dressing. So I'm going to make sure I stir everything properly, like properly stir, so that everything will just blend together. Guys, you don't have to stress yourself when you are making this recipe. And look at this, guys, we have come to the end of this video. You see, it is super easy to prepare. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not subscribed, don't forget to do so. Subscribe, also click on the bell icon so that anytime I post a new video, you will be notified. Thank you so much, and I will say bye for now and see you in my next video. All right, bye, and please don't forget to share. Thanks. Bye.